Sanju, the two of them are called ice and fire. Sanju is supposed to be the ice and Abhishek is supposed to be the fire, but that's just the personality. When the two of you go out, there's no ice and no fire. It's only fire, fire, fire. How's that possible, Sanju? You two have changed the very dimensions of T20 cricket internationally. Not just for India, but I think the way the world will now look at T20. I mean, Sanju Samson and Abhishek Sharma, cast in stone. No, they're cast in gold now.
Yeah, Paji, lovely question. First of all, hi everyone. Great evening to all. And thank you so much for the love and support which we get wherever we go. I think you are the reason why we are sitting here. So thank you so much for coming. And Paji, coming back to your question, ice and fire तो दिखने में ये दोनों फायर ही हैं. कभी कभार ये फायर हो जाता है, कभी कभार मैं फायर हो जाता हूँ. So we actually have that kind of combination going right from the World Cup of 2024. We both have done this more often actually. So we have kind of a Kerala Punjabi friendship going in the middle. So so everything comes very natural to us. We just don't complicate things and ज़्यादा कुछ पूछते नहीं है. पाजी ये बोलते बॉल कैसे आ रहा है, बॉल सीधा ही आ रहा है, पाजी उड़ा दे. तो मैं तो so we keep it very simple. So I really love definitely batting. तो सभी fan हैं अभिषेक लाला के, but I really love the character he carries. He's a very brave and open-hearted kind of a kid, and I really love his partnership on and off the field. So वही ground के अंदर दिखता होगा शायद.
Partnership on the field, off the field. We're so lucky to have the two of them. You know, right now, India are the world champions. Of course, we've defended the title. But again, you said Destiny's Child. I would say it's a life lesson for all of us. Abhishek Sharma, not doing well, kept faith, scored runs in the final. Sanju Samson, fighting for a place in the team, and the team goes to him, come bail us out. And the two of you are here. Wonderful.
The other thing these two prove is, as I said, come from very different parts of the country. You know, one from North Amritsar, the other from Thiruvananthapuram, and their third partner in crime who's not here, Ishan Kishan, right bang in the center. So, you know, they've got the entire India covered. And even though the language is very different, the cultures are different, the eating habits are very different, but at the end of the day, जो खून दौड़ रहा है वो बड़ा गरम है. It is that Indian blood, because when they get onto that field, that aggression is the same.
No, I mean, first of all, I would like to tell everyone that Sanju Bhai enjoys Punjabi more than his Kerala language, I would say. Because whenever he speaks to me, he tries to speak in Punjabi. So I think he's very good in Punjabi.
He's lived in Delhi.
Yes.
He's grown up in Delhi.
Yeah, of course.
He's a Delhi boy.
So there's no barrier of language anytime we have spoken to each other, because I've always, you know, it starts with English probably and then Hindi. But once I'm feeling a bit tense or emotional, the Punjabi comes from in between, okay? So that's the reason.
So what would be the typical Punjabi conversation between the two of you, let's say, in between and over?
No, I feel, especially when we are batting together, so I don't remember the language and all. The Punjabi comes out, obviously. So I always ask, Sanju Bhai, uda दूं? He's always, हाँ, चक दे.
ये उड़ाते ही रहते हैं, इसको थोड़ा रोकना पड़ता है. कहते पूछते उड़ा दूं, नहीं अभी मत उड़ा. ये तो उड़ाता ही रहता है.
नहीं, but काफी पंजाबी में हमारी conversation होती है, सिर्फ हिंदी इंग्लिश नहीं.
We had known, then maybe we would have done the session in Punjabi, since the two of us also can speak Punjabi, but that we'll keep for another day.